Understanding the phrases. Dark water. Hello, dear learners. Today, we are diving into an interesting phrase in the English language. Dark water. Let's explore its meanings and how you can use it in your conversations. When we think of dark water, the first image that might pop into our minds is of water that is not transparent due to its depth, murkiness, or the presence of impurities. It's the kind of water you might find in deep parts of the ocean or a lake where sunlight doesn't reach easily. Examples: the diver was cautious as he approached the dark water of the deep ocean. After the storm, the river turned into a murky dark water. In English, like many other languages, we often use phrases in a figurative or symbolic manner. Dark water can also be used metaphorically to describe situations that are uncertain, dangerous, or mysterious. Examples: venturing into a new business without any experience is like sailing into dark waters. After the sudden resignation of the CEO, the company found itself in dark waters. Now that you know the meanings, let's look at how you can use this phrase in your daily conversations. 1. To express caution. I'd be careful investing in that venture. It seems like dark water to me. 2. To describe a mysterious situation. I don't know what's happening in that abandoned house, but there's some dark water there for sure. 3. To talk about difficulties. He's going through a tough phase. Feels like he's caught in dark waters. Understanding phrases like dark water can truly enhance your English speaking and comprehension skills. The beauty of language lies in its depth, much like the very dark waters we talked about today. We hope this video helps you sail smoothly in your English learning journey. Until next time, keep exploring and keep learning.